Dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this case study based question. This is for class 10 and this is taken from chapter 7 coordinate geometry, and the question is two-dimensional plane and Cartesian plane. You know what is two-dimensional plane? X-axis and Y-axis. See, this is X-axis and this is Y-axis. So this is called two-dimensional plane. Okay, or you can say this as a Cartesian plane also, right? So it is written that using Cartesian coordinates, we mark a point on the graph by how far along and how far up it is. Okay, so this is coordinate axis, or you can say Cartesian axis. X-axis and Y-axis are called coordinate axis, or you can say Cartesian axis also. The left right horizontal direction is commonly called x-axis. This is left side and right side, and this is horizontal direction, and this is called x-axis. The up and down vertical, this is up down vertical direction is called y-axis, right? When we include negative values, the x and y axis divide the space up into 4 pieces. So when we include this x axis and y axis, this Cartesian plane is divided into 4 pieces. See, first piece, second piece, third and fourth. Each piece is called quadrant. Okay, this is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. And I want to tell you, in first quadrant, x coordinate is positive, y is also positive. In second quadrant, x coordinate is negative, here y is positive, because this is positive side of x-axis, this is negative side of x-axis. This is positive side of y-axis, this is negative side of y-axis. Okay, so in third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. In fourth, x is positive here and y is negative. Okay, so next is read the information given above and below and answer the questions that follows. So the condition is, two friends Seema and Aditya work in the same office in Delhi. In the Christmas vacations, both decided to go their hometowns represented by town A and town B respectively in the figure given below. So means Seema is from town A and Aditya is from town B. Both are working in the same place at Delhi. Okay, so town A and B are connected by a trains from the same station C, okay, in the given figure in Delhi. So see here, this is station C, right? This is town A, Seema's town is A and Aditya's town is B, right? So first of all, this is a y-axis, this is x-axis. First of all, let's find out the coordinates of these all the 3 points. C station also, A, town A and town B also. So let's count the coordinates of C. So C's coordinates are here x is -1, -2, -3, -4 and y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So C coordinates are -4, 4. Because we will find out these in the beginning only. In the questions, it may be asked questions related to these coordinates. So first of all, we will find out this. So the coordinates of A are, see, this is A, so x coordinate is 1, then y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here, x coordinate is 1 and y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 7 are the coordinates of A, and let's see what are the coordinates of B. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4, 2. So let's see what are the questions based on this. So the first question is, who will travel more distance to reach to their hometown? So from C, here A and B, we have to find out the distance between CA and CB. So who will be traveling more? Whose distance will be more? That will be traveling more. So from the graph, it is visible that Aditya has to travel more because station B is far away than A from point C. But we will find out with the help of distance formula. So we'll find out the first of all AC, then we'll find out BC distance, then we'll see which is bigger. So distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. So let's see what will be coming, AC. So x2 is this 1 minus minus 4, that is 1 plus 4, right, square, plus y2 minus y3. So 7 minus 4, that is 3 square. So it is coming 5 square 25 plus 3 square is 9. So under root 34 is coming. Now let's find out BC distance. BC. Okay. So this is 4 minus minus 4, that is 4 plus 4 square, plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 whole square. So it becomes 4 plus 4, 8, 8 square is 64, plus minus 2 square is 4, so root 68. So root 68 is bigger than root 34. So BC distance is more. So it means Aditya has to travel more distance as compared to Seema. Next question is, Seema and Aditya plan to meet at a location D situated at a point D represented by the midpoint of the line segment, the point represented by town A and town B. Then the coordinates of the point represented by the D are what? So here we are to find out the midpoint of AB, line segment joining AB. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here x1 y1 is this, x2 y2 is this. So x1 plus x2 is 1 plus 5, 4 is 5, 5 over 2, comma 7 plus 2 is 9 over 2. So 5 by 2 comma 9 by 2 is the right answer. So D option is correct. So the next question is, the area of the triangle formed by joining the points represented by A, B and C is what? So A, B, C, when we will join these 3 points, we get a triangle. We need to find out the area of that triangle. So we have a formula for finding the area of the triangle. Formula is area of triangle is equal to half into x1 and y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here this is called absolute value. So if negative answer will come in this bracket, we will take the positive of that, because area cannot be negative. So here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. So let's fill the value. 1 by 2 into x1 is 1 into y2 minus y3. This is y2 minus y3. 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, plus x2. x2 is 4. y3 minus y1. This is y3 minus y1. 4 minus 7, that is minus 3, plus x3 is here minus 4. So plus minus is minus only. So right here minus only. Okay. So it is, so y1 minus y2. So this is y1 minus y2. 7 minus 2, that is 5. So let's see what is coming. 1 by 2 into minus 2. Here it is minus 12. Here it is minus 20. Okay, so it becomes 1 by 2 into, so if we add all these, it is a 34 minus 34. So I told you that it will be plus 34 we have to take, because the absolute value of minus 34 is plus 34. So 2 ones are 2 70s are. So 17 square unit is the right answer. So this is our A part is the correct answer. So let's see what is the fourth part. The location of the station is given by station is C. So we have to find out the coordinates of C, which we have found out in the beginning only. The coordinates of C is minus 4 comma 4. So the correct option is B, minus 4 comma 4. Station is C. Okay, so the next question is, the location of the town B is given by. So we have already found out this. 4 comma 2 is the location of B. So 4 comma 2 is the right option. D is the right option. So in the next video, we will do this case study based question. So thank you so much for watching.